Hey guys, and thanks for stopping in real quick for an update on these rust painted textured tiles. So in part one, I used the Verde products from 10 Seconds Studio on these, the rust paint and rust activator, and I really talked them up, assuming that you could go and buy them. And it has been brought to my attention by a couple of you that that is not the case. I actually went and searched right after I made this video and found out from one of you initially that you could not access these paints. So I wanted to make a quick video to apologize first of all and to give you another solution. I'm so disappointed that this company is no longer selling these Verde paints. So you can't get them. If you can, you're really lucky. I couldn't find them. I searched and searched. I Googled, I YouTubed, I looked on the internet. I tried to pull it up in every way I could think of, and I was not successful. So the alternative, and happily there is an alternative, is this Modern Masters, and I've also had these for a very long time. So if anybody comes back to me and says that you can't get these, I'm gonna scream because I did look these up recently. I was just talking to, I think it's Phyllis. Hi Phyllis. And she was very frustrated to see my part one of this and then not be able to access the products. And no kidding, I would be just really aggravated with that too. So I wanted to address it with you guys. But here's the Modern Masters version of this, and then you have to have the activator just like you have to have it with the others. If you've used the others, you already know this. If you're brand new to this, these don't work without the activator, okay? So this one says use over metal effects iron oxidizing paint, and if I remember correctly, they have a different activator for each one of these, which you could try. I would try. I'm just not going to be using these yet because I've got other things in front of this. But you can always try to use one kind of activator with the other paints. But this does say iron. So the Modern Masters makes the oxidizing iron paint, the oxidizing copper, and the oxidizing bronze. Now the bronze comes out blue when it oxidizes, and the copper comes out this really pretty patina green. Let me show you, because it's the same concept. So here is the copper here, and let me see if I have a good example of the blue. Here's some blue. Here's the blue of the bronze, and then the iron oxidizes with this burnt orange color. Let me turn those so you can see that. Okay, so green, copper, there you go. And then this burnt orange is so beautiful. This is from the iron. So I just wanted to show you that there is an alternative on the market. And if you guys know of any other alternatives, please let me know. And I do apologize again for misleading. That was absolutely not my intention. And if you haven't subscribed yet, of course I invite you to. Got lots of fun experimenting and really exciting projects going on this channel. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.